Connect the power lead to the back of the unit where it says power. Connect the mat via the banana socket in the back where it says mat. Connect the other end to the mat stud. Connect earth to the plug and connect ground to the plug. Please ensure your mat is connected to earth via the lead. Then plug your wrist strap in to the wrist strap 4mm jack. Then do the body mass adjustment until it fails. Then adjust it slightly till it passes. When you take the wrist strap off, the tester should fail, the wrist strap part should fail. When I put it on again, it's passing. That completes the setup. Also, you can press standby to stop the buzzer.